Assalamu alaikum. Today our program will be about Ramadan. We have 3 teams over here and we will ask each of them three questions. Whoever gets all 3 questions is the winner of today's program. First we will do Team A. What is the 9th month of the Islamic lunar calendar during which Muslims observe fasting?
Ramzan.
That is correct. Now we will ask Team B. What is the pre-dawn meal before the fast begins called?
Sahar.
That is correct. Next is Team C. Which important religious text is believed to have been revealed during Ramadan?
The Holy Quran.
That is correct. We have asked 3 contestants their first question and they are correct. Next is the second question. What is the night of power and excellence that falls within the last 10 nights of Ramadan?
Laylatul Qadr.
That is correct. Next is Team B. Fasting during Ramadan is one of the 5 pillars of Islam. Name 2 pillars.
Salat, Hajj.
That is correct. Next is Team C. What is the Arabic term for voluntary charitable giving that is an important aspect of Ramadan?
Zakatul Fitr or Sadaqatul Fitr.
Yes, that is correct. Next is the third question. In which direction do Muslims face while praying Ramadan and throughout the year?
The East.
That is correct. Next is Team B. How is the end of Ramadan celebrated, making the beginning of the next lunar month?
Zakatul Fitr.
That is correct. Next is Team C. What is the significance of the new moon light for the star of Ramadan?
The North, the
It seems that our contestant is confused and so that is why he is out of the team. Today's winner is Mujtaba and Alisha.